I welcome you all to this third session of aldehydes and ketones. So in this session of aldehydes and ketones, we will be discussing about preparation of ketones. To recollect what we discussed in the previous session, so we discussed about two different methods of preparation of aldehydes, that is Rosenmann's aldehyde synthesis and Getterman-Koch aldehyde synthesis. So in this class, as I said earlier, we will be discussing preparation of ketones. So however, there are several methods which can be used to prepare ketones, but today we will be seeing three different methods of preparing ketones, that is preparation from nitriles, from carboxylic acids and acid chlorides. So from nitriles using Grignard reagents. So when nitriles react with Grignard reagent, it gives addition products which on acid hydrolysis gives ketones. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರೋ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೈನೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆ ನಡುವೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಾಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ because due to the difference in the electronegativity, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. The bond between carbon and nitrogen is polarized, making the carbon to have a partial positive charge, which is more susceptible for a nucleophilic attack. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ alkyl magnesium iodide ಜೊತೆ alkyl nitrile ನ react ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the alkyl group will attack the carbon of the nitrile and it forms addition product. So this addition product on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, gives you ketone. So here I have taken few examples of preparing ketones. For preparing acetone, the nitrile, the starting material is acetonitrile. Acetonitrile tagondo methyl magnesium iodide is a Grignard reagent. When it is reacted with methyl magnesium iodide, it gives you addition product. This addition product on hydrolysis gives you acetone. Similarly, you can also prepare acetophenone. Acetophenone prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಜೋನೈಟ್ರಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಂಜೋನೈಟ್ರಲ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಸಿಟೋಫಿನೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ C6H5 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರೋದರಿಂದ ಬೆಂಜೋನೈಟ್ರಲ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ CH3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ Grignard reagent methyl magnesium iodide. So when benzonitrile is reacted with methyl magnesium iodide, you get an addition product. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ nucleophilic in nature, which is electrophilic in nature, and it is susceptible for attack of a nucleophile. Addition product, this addition product on hydrolysis gives you acetophenone. So coming to the second method of preparing carboxylic acid from alkyl lithiums. So alkyl lithiums na Gilman reagents ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲಿಥಿಯಮ್ಗೆ if it is flanked by alkyl groups, two alkyl groups, we get alkyl lithiums. Alkyl lithiums are very good organic reagents. ಇವನ್ನ ಗಿಲ್ಮನ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡು ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಲಿಥಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ gets decomposed by water to form a ketone. So carboxylic acid na alkyl lithium ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you can see here the two lithium atoms is getting replaced by hydrogen atoms. This addition compound, dihydroxy compound, loses a water molecule and becomes ketone. So for the preparation of butanone, I have taken C2H5COOH, that is propionic acid, 3 carbon carboxylic acid, reacted with dimethyl lithium. You get addition product. When this is reacted with water molecule followed by loss of water molecule gives you butanol. The last method of preparing ketone is from acid chlorides. So acid chlorides are also derivatives of carboxylic acids, RCOOH, where the OH group is replaced by Cl. We get acid chlorides. So when acid chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium, we get ketone. So here R and R prime represents the alkyl groups. So for the example of preparing ethyl methyl ketone, that is butanone, 2-butanone, we are taking acetyl chloride reacting with diethyl cadmium to get ethyl methyl ketone. So you have to note here the carbonyl carbon in acid chloride is more electrophilic due to the electronegativity of chlorine. So carbonyl carbon, ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ due to the difference in the electronegativities between carbon and oxygen, and this bond is polarized and the carbonyl carbon becomes electrophilic. ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Carbonyl carbon in acid chloride is more electrophilic due to the high electronegativity of chlorine which is attached to the carbonyl carbon. So cadmium can attack the carbonyl carbon atom of acid chloride and form the ketones. So next we will see the condensation reactions of aldehydes and ketones in the next class, that is aldol condensation, Perkin condensation, Novanazole condensation and benzoin condensation in the next class. So coming to the summary of this class, in this session we have discussed the three important methods of preparing ketones, that is preparing of ketones from nitriles using Grignard reagents, that is alkyl magnesium hydrides, preparation of ketones from carboxylic acids using alkyl lithiums, that is Gilman reagents, and preparation of ketones from acid chlorides using dialkyl cadmiums. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ketones also. So thank you.